In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook profile to a digital creator. So what you want to do is open up Facebook and go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and that will take you to this window here. Now from here, you need to go ahead and go to your profile. So click on your profile name, and then once you're inside of your profile, you want to go to the three dots which are next to See Dashboard. So click on them. Then you should scroll down and you'll see Turn on Professional Mode. Go ahead and enable that. Then you can turn on professional mode, and once you've done that, there'll be a bunch of settings you can change. So if you want to go ahead and change to a digital creator, you need to go ahead and fill out your profile. And then if you go to select your profile category, you can just type in here digital creator and click on this one. And then obviously once you've got that checked and enabled, you will then have chosen digital creator and essentially change your Facebook profile to a digital creator. That's how you do it. Fill out your other professional tools as well. I hope that video helped you out.